Alright, so possible fix for if your screen is black for CS2 as they're updating your NVIDIA drivers. This just happened to me for the first time. Uh, so like I would launch the game after updating my drivers, and then my screen would be completely black. I could hear in-game sounds, but could not navigate any menus. Everything was just black. So the reason why this happened to me is because I use a custom resolution for CS2. I use 1920 by 960. So when I updated the drivers, um, basically NVIDIA Control Panel, the custom resolutions was disabled. So opening up NVIDIA Control Panel, if I go to change resolution and then do customize here, this box that says enable resolutions not exposed by display was automatically disabled, and that never happened to me before. So I had to recheck this box and then re-add my custom resolution. And we'll go back to control panel later. But now I really just want you to get your black screen problem fixed. So what you can do is, if you have a similar situation, you can right-click CS2, and we're going to force your monitor's native resolution. So to do that, right-click CS2 Properties under General. Then under Launch Options, you're going to type in the width like this. So for me, my native is 1920, and then the height like this, 1080. And this will force uh, this resolution each time the game is launched. So it's going to force 1920 by 1080. All right, so then if you were to launch the game, it would be that forced resolution. And then, so this should get your black screen problem fixed if you had a custom resolution. Um, and that's well and good, you can see the screen. But if you have a custom resolution that you've been using and you like to use, obviously you would want to get that back. So the way you can do that is you would have to go to NVIDIA Control Panel again. Yes, we have 1920 by 1080. So you would have to go to Control Panel again, right here. And then, yeah, you'll have to go to Change Resolution again, Customize. Make sure this box is checked, so enable resolutions not exposed by the display. And then if you have your custom res up here already, after updating the drivers, you're going to want to delete it and then re-add it. So you can re-add it like this. Create custom resolution. Set your horizontal and vertical to what you want. So for me, my custom res is 1920 by 960. And the reason I use this actually for CS2 is because the higher your aspect ratio is, this is only for CS2, the higher the aspect ratio is, the more field of view you have. And I like having that extra field of view, so that's why I do this custom res. So yeah, you can add it back in like that. Make sure you save it. Hit OK. And then if you relaunch CS2, we'll make sure if you're using that custom res and you don't want to force 1920 by 1080 or your native res, you want to use your custom, you can just clear out these launch options. And then when you relaunch the game, you will see your custom res pop up. I'll show you that briefly. And again, you want to force that if you're using custom res, you want to force your native so that, because your custom res was not enabled after doing the driver update. So you want to force that native res that, CS2 will support. And then you can see here, my custom resolution is added, 1920 by 960. Apply. And it works fine. I think that's about it. If this doesn't solve your issue, I would maybe recommend verifying the integrity of your game files. So to do that, you would right click CS2, Properties, Installed Files, and then you would click this Verify Integrity of Game Files. And if it still doesn't work, just restart your PC and hope for the best. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.